Share ko lang sa inyo yung nabasa ko every day after breakfast. This one first, Bible Diary. Of course, it's important. And this one. It's so good. It makes you so productive. Sleepy little bear. Wait lang. I'm gonna get you this. Going out, I have sundo. I'm getting my glasses first. The sundo is here. It's kind of hot. He's letting me drive.
Kasta ah. Basta sa nga rin buntot ni barong nga preso may kunaan. Oops. Hangin.
Bakit ano yung iba?
Hangin yun ah.
We are back. It turns out pala si Doc. It's fine. We're just gonna go back next week. Back to him. Let me also share yung book na nabili ko, baon ko sa upcoming travel. This one I'm gonna bring by Colleen Hoover. One of my favorite author. Yung pinakaunang favorite ko na author, by the way. FYI, si Sidney Sheldon, kung sino man nakakilala sa kanya. And then, may second baon. Itong Let Them Theory. Madami akong nakikita na magandang reviews dito. So, hopefully, it's okay. Lunchtime. Munggo. Stay hydrated, guys. So important. Time check, it's already 5 p.m. Tinatapos ko na lang yung work ko kasi today is a Saturday, so I'm gonna have a movie night. Yeah, so kailangan kong tapusin yung work para pagdating ni Habs. He's here. Let's bulaga him. Love you. Nagdaan ka sa church? Let's prepare dinner. Relax.
Doon lang din nila nakakausap siguro isa. Oh, really? So you can speak
Sino
din
isa?
with...
While we were having dinner, may nag-deliver. Ganyan talaga. Sanay na kami. Buti na lang bait ng asawa ko.
Sa loob?